Does your passion lie in improving yourself to become unstoppable in your career? If yes, studying personal and professional development helps you to become successful and stay competitive like never before. Learn transferable skills in this field of study and benefit from exciting career opportunities, such as becoming a coach, trainer, consultant, or manager. Achieve your career goals by studying personal and professional development, whether you are stepping into professional life, looking for career transition, or aiming for promotion. Master your personal and professional development skills and set yourself up for high-paying roles across any sector. Become committed to learning and growth and stand out to top employers in your desired industry. Gain confidence to handle challenges in both your personal and professional life. Now is the perfect time to begin your personal and professional development journey with Inspire London College and become invaluable in the job market.